ability to give everyone a real sense of ownership around the product.
I mean, it looks great, yeah. Can't wait to get started.
I know it may seem like a lot going on right here, but I have good news. We got one down. We're making some progress.
And this plan, along with our move to Agile, can get us to a place where we're leading innovation rather than constantly playing catch up.
This is a problem.
And it's gonna get worse.
I mean, I don't know, you guys. I'm just a little concerned because I know we talked last week about picking up a little bit on progress, right? And nothing is moving.
But when we're buried in our own code, we sometimes forget to look at the whole picture. It's truly the best of both worlds.
Hey, Claire, they're still not connecting.
It may seem fine, but we're really bottlenecking here, here, and here.
Well, because your dev environment looks nothing like our production environment.
And that's what I need fixed.